In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid's Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, tap at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent. Click on this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those options however you want to. Check out Preview at the top and enjoy adjusting your wallpaper perfectly for you. You can always go back to this app and redo it. Click on this icon of an X at the top right corner. Check it out one last time and apply it by tapping at the bottom right corner. Then hit Set as Safe Wallpaper. Choose Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where by tapping on one of those options. Home screen, lock screen, or both. When you're finished, just close your app and enjoy your new wallpaper. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!